Hope your season went better than mine. On my cocks now, inside in their cages, moulding away. Some of them looking a bit better than what they were. I have to say some of them didn't look great now over the breeding season. I've treated the whole shed now and they seem to be looking pretty good. This grey wing was practically balled up a couple of weeks ago. Perfect now. Last one of my mosaic cocks. This guy's flying. Got a couple of chicks from him. Pity about the other guy. This guy wasn't great. Got a few chicks from this guy here as well. Got a good few red ivories from this man. Some nice red ivories. All the hens now are back in the flight. Original hens. I'll be keeping most of these anyway for next season. I'll be breeding early next year, so I'm keeping all the mature hens. Had a lot of young hens this year and they drove me crazy. Everything that could go wrong went wrong for me this year. Real bad season. I separated most of my pairs in mid-May. I was only wasting my time. Some mosaics there as well. Some young here that I ended up with. Some nice red ivories there. Some nice colour coming through. Some reds. I ended up with about 20 odd birds, I'd say. Some clear red mosaics in there. The hens decided to pluck their tails just as they were weaned. Just before the day before I was going to separate them. Some more reds down here. I think just two clear red mosaics in there as well. Same thing again, hens, all their tails are gone, every one of them. I don't know. Just one of them years. Non-intensive, I'd say. There's two nice red ivories in there. Two of them there. Beautiful colour coming out in him. Nice one here as well. Nice big heads. That's how my season went, lads. I hope you had better than me. All the best.